Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0616 indicates a low voltage issue in the starter cut relay 1 control circuit. This error is monitored by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which manages various engine and transmission functions. Specifically, if the return signal from the starter cut relay is low while the starter is not engaged, the PCM flags this as an abnormality. The starter cut relay is crucial as it interrupts power to the starter motor during specific operational conditions, preventing unintended starts. The relay and its circuit typically reside within the relay circuit board positioned in the engine compartment. Accurate diagnostics are vital for resolving this issue to ensure the vehicle starts and operates reliably. This presentation outlines the troubleshooting steps necessary to address DTC P0616. The starter cut relay 1 plays a critical role in controlling the initiation of the starter motor. Located on the relay circuit board in the engine compartment, it acts to prevent vehicle starts under certain conditions by cutting off power. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, responsible for managing engine and transmission processes, continuously monitors the status of this relay. When the vehicle is in the off position and the return signal from this relay is detected as low, the PCM identifies this as an anomaly. This situation can prevent the engine from starting or can cause other operational issues. Accurate testing of the starter cut relay and associated circuits is critical for proper diagnostics and ensuring the vehicle functions as designed. There are several potential causes for the DTC P0616. A faulty starter cut relay could fail to provide the necessary voltage signals, leading to erroneous readings by the PCM. Additionally, wiring issues, such as frayed wires or disconnections, can disrupt voltage flow and give rise to low signals. A malfunctioning PCM could also incorrectly interpret the information from the relay, indicating an error where none exists. Moreover, a poor ground connection can result in voltage drops, affecting the relay's ability to function correctly. Each of these possibilities should be investigated during the troubleshooting process to determine the root cause of the issue. The symptoms associated with DTC P0616 can significantly impact vehicle functionality. One of the most apparent symptoms is that the engine may fail to start entirely due to the starter cut relay not engaging correctly. In addition, users may experience intermittent issues with starter motor operation. It may not engage when attempting to start the engine. The PCM will also register the error code, prompting a check to confirm the abnormality. Additionally, electrical system anomalies may arise as other components may inadvertently interact with the faulty circuit, leading to unpredictable vehicle behavior. Recognizing these symptoms is essential for timely diagnosis and repair. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0616 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode. This initial action is crucial as it powers the vehicle's electronic systems, including the PCM and the starter cut relay. By doing so, technicians prepare the vehicle for subsequent diagnostic steps. The on mode allows the system to run self-checks and monitor the status of various components. During this time, the PCM can read voltage levels from the starter cut relay control circuit. This simple step lays the foundation for further inspection of the electrical components associated with the starter control. Next, you will need to perform a relay circuit board test for the starter cut relay 1 circuit. Preparation for this step includes ensuring that the relay circuit board connector A, which is an 18-pin connector, is disconnected. This disconnect is necessary to ensure accurate voltage readings without interference from other circuit components. Following the disconnection, the procedure must include verifying that the key is in the on position and measuring the voltage from the IG1 ACG and IG1 starter cut circuits. Both circuits should register a normal battery voltage, close to 12 volts. If abnormal readings are noted here, it indicates that there may be a problem within the circuit itself. The third step is to inspect the external circuit of the starter cut relay connection. This inspection involves checking the IG1 ACG and IG1 starter cut circuits while the system is in the on position. Technicians should ensure that there is a consistent voltage supply throughout, noting any discrepancies. If abnormalities are found, it points to potential wiring issues, such as short circuits, open circuits, or other connection failures. Employing proper inspection techniques by looking for visible damage or using a multimeter can help diagnose the issue effectively. This detailed examination is crucial for progressing to the next troubleshooting phases. After confirming the previous circuit inspections, the next step is to perform a thorough inspection of the PCM. It is important to analyze its inputs and outputs, ensuring stability and proper function. If earlier inspections indicated normal conditions for other components, the PCM may be the source of the problem. Any abnormalities noted during the inspection of this module must be documented, as these issues could directly correlate with the DTC. A failure in the PCM can have widespread implications, affecting multiple vehicle systems. Therefore, carefully scrutinizing this component can help pinpoint the fault and facilitate repairs. Upon completing all identified repairs and inspections, it's essential to clear the DTC P0616 and conduct a retest of the vehicle's starting system. This process involves using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to reset the system. Following the reset, you must engage the ignition and ensure that the starter cut relay functions as intended. Check for stable voltage readings across all circuits involved in the starter cut relay operation. Only when these elements confirm normal operations can assurance be provided that the previously indicated issues have been resolved. Maintaining meticulous records throughout this verification process is beneficial for future reference. In conclusion, effectively addressing DTC P0616 requires a comprehensive understanding of the starter cut relay functionality and its integral role in vehicle operations. Conducting a thorough inspection of both the relay circuit board and wiring ensures that all potential problems are identified and remedied. Attention to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, and its inputs/outputs is crucial, as any malfunction can lead to erroneous diagnostic codes. Remember to utilize the official Honda diagnostic tools and protocols to facilitate accurate testing and repair procedures. By following these detailed steps, you can resolve this issue and maintain the reliability and performance of the Honda Accord 2023 Plus. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.